Working with library database systems and have an MQD file? This stores query data from the Malete database engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Malete query data files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective MQD file solution for the tough cases near the end. MQD files are query data files used by Malete, a database engine designed for library catalogs and bibliographic information management. They contain saved queries result sets, or query parameters, used by Malete and its companion application Faces for searching and retrieving records from library databases. MQD files use a structured format specific to the Malete database. Engine storing query definitions, search parameters, result references, and metadata about query execution. The format integrates with Malete's CDS ISIS-compatible database architecture, used by libraries and information centers for bibliographic record management. The specialized program designed to handle MQD is Malete by open source. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows gives only high-level attributes, so deeper inspection depends on database software. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the MQD file and select Open With. Try Malete as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. When your MQD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the MQD file is refusing to open. First, opening in Malete or Faces. Install Malete database engine and Faces user interface from the Bireme or Malete project repositories. Launch Faces and use file, then open to load the MQD file. The application processes the query data, displaying results from the associated database with full search refinement and record viewing capabilities. Next, editing query definitions. Open MQD files in text editors if the format is text-based to inspect query syntax and parameters. The query definitions may use Malete's search language, allowing manual modification of search criteria. Save edited files and reload in Malete or Faces to test query refinements for bibliographic searches in library databases. Finally, migrating queries. Document queries stored in MQD files for migration to modern library management systems like Koha Evergreen or proprietary integrated library systems. Translate Malete query syntax to the target system's search language, preserving search logic. This enables continued access to specific search workflows when transitioning library systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.